I know young people do a lot of stupid things, but taking alcohol right there in an exam hall, how stupid can you get? Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. And I've come again with social media trending issues. Okay, this video I'm about to show you right now is a video of a young guy in an exam hall in one of the Nigeria's university taking alcohol, one of the popular Nigeria's bitters, right there in an exam hall. Take a look at this video.
You know me, I love green paper. I think
you can imagine. But I know that some people will start saying that it's okay. How can it be okay that a young adult in a class na action bitters or alcohol right there in the class while lectures are still going on? You can do it outside. This is why a lot of people feel and think that Gen Zs are not serious with their life, because you cannot tell me that this person now alcohol in the class go out where. If you are taking alcohol in the class, that means you did not even read. You didn't go to night class. Your HND, your degree, your OND is important. That is why you are there. You need to be serious with whatever you do with your life, because you can do this. You can take your shayo, gin and juice outside school, in your room, in your hostel, but not in the class. That is why a lot of people think that Gen Zs are not serious. And this person, Nemiha, do you think this person is even serious with their studies? Okay, on another news, a young adult is paying 1,200,000 naira to do tummy talk. I did not make this thing up. Somebody na alolo for somebody 1,200,000 go me tummy talking because it's trending. I did not make this up. You need to see this video for yourself.
Come down for that place now. Make me dey talk. Open that thing now. No, open that this thing. Every day na so na go dey make me dey talk. People go dey look me like say I dey mad. I no mad though. I no mad. Na I guess I play. I no mad. Make they look me now. Make they look me. How I go do again? As una don make me mad before. Carry money. Contribution and I mean these guys, they will get ambition, they will get things to use money do. If it's side also, things are happening now. You know the only money where I pay now go tell live on. We start, they do contribution. I put them for contribution within their self. There are 10 numbers in that contribution out of all my workers. Oh yeah, when I reach like this, so person go carry for in turn. Now they carry 1.2 to carry this. How much was that money? 1.2 million. Now they carry give a video. As Nashim says she want carry first. Other some day for last. Now you carry 1.2 million. Now you don't want your face. I will want your face. Because you don't put your hand like me. I will took my hand in the hand. You understand? But at least supposed to. Now I don't. Now you want to do something for.
What do you want to do with this? Eh? You know it's not right now.
Imagine say destiny. I don't call the doctor now. I don't ask her, say, where young girl they can't do tummy talk without a family consent. Oh, so nobody go sign for you. Say nobody go sign for you. I don't tell them they return the money. Then they use 1.2 to do tummy talk.
Mama, you yourself, you know, but then I'm the real doctor.
Then they use 1.2 to do tummy talk. You even know when I real doctor. You for man for there.
Mama,
You for man for there.
Mama,
Be your man.
I know what they tell.
I'll be your
Mama, I know
man
what
for you.
they tell Destiny. He said Destiny don't allow her lose money for moto.
We get there now. Now they call Ajah moto. This girl won't go. So now Ajah you want for go do this thing. You dey go like. So what happened to your tummy now? Come up from my roads, Rachel. What happened to this tummy now? Are you not beautiful like this? How many times have I told you that you are beautiful like this? How many times?
That my tummy is too big.
Who told you that your tummy is too big?
Calm down.
Okay, who told you that your tummy is too big now? Any man that is dating you and say your tummy is too big, that man does not love you. If he love you, he will love you the way you are. He will love you the way you are. Then they do the for her. You know what we have saved you from now? Because this guy has been a man has been discovered. You shut up there. I come out for you, dear. Why you the talk now?
Mama,
Why you the talk now? What you saying?
Mama, wait.
So now you be the victim now. Now you be the victim now. If you lie, you cry blood. Cry blood. Cry that blood when you want to cry. You cry that blood when you want to cry. Tell me why you go back this morning now. You go Lagos, go to Capital. I'm not gonna try for you people. I'm not gonna try. You don't
know that this is December. Mama, I don't know what is December. What is wrong?
Are you not beautiful like this?
Mama,
All this money, what would they make at least? And would they tell our bed, they reach everybody? Now you they share this money. Then maybe they share this money.
Where Mama they go now? Mama will come back now. Eh?
Babe, I be no conca and cake be Roman and no cock pagaro. A yaka send you munam. Maybe an good on you.
I don't call her mother. I don't call it your mother. I don't call Destiny mother. May they come. Let me know what is the problem. You want to come to tell me, are you not beautiful like this? Are you not beautiful like this, Edidion? You make somebody to make you have insecurities about your body. You want to go and risk your life and go and do what? You better call that doctor now to refund that money.
Without even telling their people.
You like this doctor 1 million.
Mama, that
You never even see her. Because I don't understand. I no vessel. My people, they do this thing for 1.2 million. I never hear before. You credit that man 1 million naira. You never know. No Wahalla. I'm waiting for them. Let me do.
You know, because some people will start saying, I don't know what tummy talking is. Okay, let me educate you. Tummy talking is a short word for liposuction. So she wants to look snatched. Okay? And because people are telling her that your tummy is big. You can see the madam scolding her. And she is even proud that she wants to do the tummy talking. You see, societal pressure. There are many ways to kill a rat if you want to look snatched. This is what is trending. In Nigeria, they want to do liposuction. I want to do big bum. I want to do big boobs. All these things. Every woman, every girl wants to do this thing. And last, the guy will still leave the girl to go and marry somebody that doesn't have all these things. See, you need to be better with your life. You don't need to do any tummy talking. You don't need to do big bum. You don't see. You people should stop watching Egugu. Because it's not good for you. Look at this girl. See her mouth. People are telling her that her tummy is big. You see? You that is telling somebody that you don't look, you are not figure 8. Because the guys are now telling the women that it's the nyash. And look at the result of is the nyash. However you feel about this video, put it on the comment section. Okay? Because every day we see new things going on and trending. And this is the result of the societal pressure. However you feel about this video, on the comment section. Peace out.